Hi. Hi, guys. My name is Jocelyn. So I'm a graduate from EPHM. And, well, Dr. Jones has just introduced me that I was a flight attendant and for 2 years, been flying for 2 years. And I studied EPHM. Then I was a research assistant with Professor Jonathan Wong for a year in ARCPE. That I have worked there for a year. Then my job duties is actually I should have known Daniel earlier because I was conducting a green roof project in ARCPE and also waste charging project for government too. So this is my my CV for the after my EPHM course, but now I'm working for this company just 8 months, so I'm still a baby in this industry. So I'm working for a metal recycling company, which called Chiho Environmental Group. Sorry, I don't have the PDF with me, but if you really want to know more about this industry, come to me. I got some leaflets in here, yeah, and I got tons of metal photo that, if time's allowed, I will show them to you all. But I want to know, is there anyone actually know? Have you guys noticed that Trump, the China and American trading war? Anyone know? Basically, let me introduce my industry. Actually, our industry is really mainly trading, yeah. But then this trading war has affected us a lot. Because actually America has, let me have a read. I have prepared a little bit. That US has implemented the importing tax from importing China products. If it's aluminium, it's 17%, and for steel it's 25%. And China, because China is implementing tax towards U.S. product is for aluminium scrap is 25%. But instead, every importing scrap, China has 17% already. On top of that, there will be another extra 25%. So therefore, actually it's basically a winter for us. Okay, so it's actually 42% of tax in every tons. Okay, okay, and after this, and our industry very special always is that China is always the industrial area, that we have a lot of factories in China. However, Mr. Xi has said China has to be the green country, and so actually has very strict on environmental standard, as well as implementing import quotas on scrap. So our company, luckily, because our company has taken over 50% of world's, basically, let me introduce my company. My company has three main, we recycle three main things. It's mixed metal scrap, basically it's motors, okay, and other one is e-waste. And then the other thing is end-of-life vehicles. So we produce, which we extract motors and aluminium. We have stratus in different yards. So, but mainly it's motors. And for motors, where we on to? Sorry, because there's quite a few points. Oh yeah, because we have import quotas. I'll come back to import quotas. So we have new competitors. All China factory have moved to Pakistan and India. So we have new competitors. And especially China import standards has risen that do not allow any plastic inside within the within the container. And so I have been working very hard these days, checking out photos and everything, because this industry is very fun, that you base on photos, on pricing, on logistic, everything is photos. So later I would like to, hold on. I'll show you. If you come to me, I will show you. Okay. And for now, my company we just have acquisition. So in 2016, so we have yards over the world, and especially in America and Europe. So in Hong Kong, and we have four facilities, mainly in Greater China, that to process our waste. And do you guys still remember recycling process? Well, I don't know. Let me introduce. It's just that we have the whole chain. Our company have the whole chain of recycling from collecting, gathering, sorting, and processing. If we can collect some reusable material, we can actually reuse it or reset it. And if we don't, we actually dismantle it, disassemble it, and then we extract the raw materials and to set it to a downstream. So probably we have copper, or we have aluminium, or we have steel. We steel to all those other businesses. Okay, and we have 4 yards. So four facility. Hong Kong facility is mainly process e-waste, and our other 3 facilities in China is Taizhou, Dalian, and Yantai. So mainly for motors, and let me share my daily duties to you all. It's actually quite exciting. Actually, I get into this industry because of EPHM, all because of EPHM, to get into. I got this job offer, and so my daily duties are checking some. Okay, my daily duties are basically pricing. How we do price is depends on market price and the quality from the photos. And since I'm really new, we have some professionals who can just looking at the photos, knowing how many aluminium in there, how many percent of aluminium in there, how many coppers in there, that I still can't just know it through the photos. But pricing, and basically I have to communicate with our colleagues over the world because we have different time zone, we have different market as well. For Europe, we base on London Metal Exchange, and in America, so it's COMEX. So as well, in China, they have their own index as well, have domestic index. So basically communicating through different parts of the world. And the other thing is that other than pricing, logistic is one of the fun part in this industry because we relying heavily in shipping industry, and this is another fun things to go through. But this is not. We can, if you have interest, come to me. I will talk you through. But still, it's just because all my professional colleagues is more than 20 years of experience, and now I'm just 8 months. So if guys have any questions, if I have an answer for you, I will definitely answer you. And because we are running out of time, and I'm sure everyone is hungry, and let's go to lunch and talk to me through lunch. If you want to, if very interested in this industry, come to me. And yeah, just thank you very much, everyone.